4 great motivators with a dream, well-defined goals, reason in mind. This is the question you'll need to answer next by yourself. What motivates me? People are motivated by different things. Every human has his own hot buttons. I'm very sure if you do a little mind searching, you will come up with a compelling list of your own. Aside from the desire of financial gain, there are 4 great motivators I know of and will really have great impact on you towards excelling and attaining your goals. Let's get to go. Hey everyone, my name is Samuel Mobe. Welcome back to another video from the Influencers Incorporated, improving your daily for success. This is through the business education, inspiration, motivation that you need every day. Start now by subscribing, turn on the bells to receive notifications when new videos pop in. Consider leaving a comment below if you enjoy this video. The subject today is about goals and what motivates people to work on their goals. If you don't know what motivates you, be sure to learn the different motivators that you will need to help you attain your goals. And we're going to start by the things that really push people to work. Number 1 motivator is recognition. Napoleon Bonaparte once said, "A man will risk everything he has and also give a life just for a tag." And this is very true. People will do more for recognition than they will for material rewards. For example, most successful sales organizations, small sellers, indirect sales, take a point of giving recognition for any accomplishments in the company, either large or small scale, because they know that most people in the world feel like nobody cares, that they don't matter. And recognition is like a validation for their worthiness. In fact, those who recognize others are saying, "Hey man, you are special, you make a difference." Who doesn't like that feeling? Number 2 motivator is feeling. What motivates some people to excel in life is because they like the feeling of winning. If you are addicted to something, make it an addiction to winning. I know of people who are millionaires but still work 10 to 12 hours a day, making more millions. It's not because they need money, it's because they need the joy, the pleasure, the satisfaction that comes from their wins. To many people, money isn't the drive, they already have plenty. You know what it is. It's the journey, the exhilarating feeling that comes from their winnings. I usually hear people say, "If I had $1 million, I would never work again in my life." That's probably why the good Lord sees too that people who say such things never make a fortune in their life. They would just quit. Number 3 motivator is family. Some people will do anything for their loved ones than they will not do for themselves. I once met a man that told me, "Sam, my family and I have a goal to travel around the world, to do everything that you want, and it will take $250,000 a year." How incredible could a man's family affect him that much? That answer is, of course. How fortunate are those who are profound affected by love? The 4th great motivator is benevolence. The desire to share one's wealth is the 4th great motivator I know of. We all know that one person who gives in all that he has to accumulate wealth, and in the end, that person resorts to doing charity. He shares his wealth among the people around him, and just mere doing that charitable work, they really achieve what they want in life. The joy of giving it all away is what motivates them to work. Bonus. How does it feel if you get to go with the bonus at hand? Feels good, right? So this is yours to get away with. Just grab it. The other great motivator that motivates people is the love to prove people wrong, to show people that they are more than what they think they are. This really motivates a lot of people, and I am proud to be one of them. Everyone in this world really wants to do well in life. Let me tell you the story of Jack. Jack used to be a mechanic at some garage. After several years as a mechanic, Jack was looking forward to making a break and start a new career. One day, Jack quit his job. Jack turned to sales without informing anyone. When his friends and family found out about it, he became a butt of lots of criticisms. But the worst reaction came from his sister, who seemed to be having pleasure from harassing him. "You are going to go right down the drain," mocked his sister. "You had a very good job. Now you are going to lose everything you have got. You must be out of your mind." Jack's sister kept on taunting him every chance she got. As Jack relates, "The way my sister acted made me so angry that I decided to be rich. Jack today is a millionaire, but the reason behind his success was to prove his sister wrong." As you can see, there are almost many reasons for people to do well in life, just because they are people. The only key is have enough reasons Reasons come first, the rest come last. The key is have enough reasons. I believe many people wish they can find the hot buttons that can transform their lives into a model of accomplishments in life, of wealth and happiness. Well, if you really want to know how you could find the hot buttons that can really transform your life into a model of accomplishments in life, of wealth and happiness, the great news is you are at the right place. Just smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell such that you're the very first person to be notified when new videos pop in, because it's the next topic I'm going to be talking about in the next videos. Subscribe, comment below to let me know if you have got your motivator. I'll be happy to get in touch with you. Thanks for watching. Let's meet again next time. Subscribe.